If you've just signed up for Zoho One and don't know how to log in, then this video is for you. Imagine you've just completed the sign up for Zoho One. Depending on how you signed up, you're going to land on one of a couple of pages. If you used our affiliate link, you'll end up on a different kind of page, and I'll show you that next. If you signed up for Zoho Direct, then you might end up on this page where you can select access your apps using the button here, or you come up to the top right and then you can access your apps, or it'll ask you to sign in. If you signed up with our affiliate link, you'll end up on this page here, and this is the video you're watching now to guide you through the process. You can simply click go to Zoho One and that will take you to the page you just saw. And if you'd like to talk to an expert, we've got heaps of tips, tricks, guides and advice. There'll also be a link to the online community in the description of this video. If you want to access it from the open web, just open up your browser, go to the search bar and type in one.zoho.com. Hit enter, doesn't matter what domain you're in, and you'll end up back on this page where you can then sign in using the button in the top right. Once you're inside Zoho One and you want to know where to select your apps, you just come over to the left hand side here and you can see a whole bunch of apps that are already marked as your pinned or your favorites. Come on down here to the more apps section and then you should be able to see more applications. Now you can put them in the pinned section by hovering over them, selecting the three dots, and then it'll come up with an option to pin or unpin an application. If you don't see a particular app that you want to use, you can come to the unassigned apps section and then you should be able to hover over it and select add to add it to your list of applications. So that's how to find your way around Zoho for the first time. If you found this useful, please give us a subscribe, a thumbs up, and let us know what you thought in the comments.